whenever you have the hangover of low frequency or low energy emotions in you, the major energy points will shrink or collapse. That is what leads you to the state of being a disease with you and your body. On the other hand, whenever you live with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching, you will experience high frequency or high energy emotions like living with reality, without conflict, having the courage and breaking the fear patterns, living without worries, expressing pure love, uniqueness, and flowing with the life and gratitude towards everything happening in your life. When such high frequency emotions flow in you, your energy centers expand, leaving you experiencing and expressing more and more vitality, health and life energy, which we call as Kundalini Shakti. Understand, the expansion of high energy is what I call Kundalini Shakti in Sanskrit. I am introducing a word Kundalini Shakti, means inner potential energy, the ultimate bioenergy, the ultimate possible bioenergy which is in you but yet to be awakened is Kundalini Shakti. We will work step by step on each of these chakras today and tomorrow. I will give you the practical tools and processes. The processes only I call as kriyas. I am introducing one more technical term. Kriya means a process to raise the potential energy in you, which will awaken each one of your energy centers and the inner potential energy. The innate dormant life energy that is lying inside you, waiting to be used, is Kundalini. I will begin explaining the first center, root center. This root center, thought current is desire, and it is blocked when you live in fantasy, not connected to the reality. What is reality? First understand, and I wanted to remind you, listening. What is reality? Understand? You have thoughts, words happening inside you, and you make it happen outside you also. When you are unconscious, even the words happening outside is not in your control. If you are conscious, even the words happening inside will be in your control. The words happening outside you and inside you, both put together, is your reality. Please understand. The thoughts and words happening inside you and outside you, both put together, is reality. The thoughts and words happening inside you is called inner reality. Outside you is called outer reality. Let me repeat once more to support you in listening. The thoughts and words happening inside you is inner reality. The words and thoughts happening outside you is outer reality. The outer reality is the results you produce in your life. Your outer reality is the results you produce in your life. It is the actions you take outside you. The actions you take while responding to external situations of your life, and actions you take while interacting with other people in your life. Your outer reality includes words and thoughts you express outside you. Please understand, I am describing the outer reality. And now the inner reality. The inner reality is the words and thoughts you experience and express inside you. Your inner reality is the experience you carry about your outer reality. It is unfortunate human beings experience inner reality after the outer reality. It is guided by the outer reality. That is why you exist as a matter slave. But if your inner reality is consciously created, it will make outer reality happen. Whenever there is a mismatch of your inner and outer reality, you are no more living life in reality. You are living in fantasy, and then the energy in your Muladhara chakra is blocked. Understand? The thoughts and words you create inside you is inner reality, and the thoughts and words you create outside you is outer reality. When there is a mismatch between these two, you live in fantasy. You live in fantasy. The root center, collapses. Unfortunately, almost 99% of your life you spend in fantasy. There is almost always a constant mismatch in your inner and outer realities. Why? Why is there always a mismatch in your inner and outer realities? Because your inner reality is guided by the outer reality. Whenever your inner reality guides the outer reality, even if there is a period of mismatch, it will be excitement and inspiration. When the outer guides the inner, the mismatch will be perspiration. When the inner guides outer, even if there is a mismatch, it will be an inspiration. When the inner guides outer, it will be excitement. When the outer guides inner, it will be exhausting. Why is there always a mismatch in your inner and outer realities? Because almost all human beings miss the fundamental foundation required to live life: integrity. Now I am introducing the first truth, sacred secret, Tattva, integrity. In Sanskrit, we call it Satya. Integrity means you fulfilling the word and thought you give it to yourself and to others, and experiencing a state of completion, Purnatva. You fulfilling the word and the thought, you give it to yourself and to others, and experiencing a state of completion, Purnatva, with yourself and with life. Is integrity. Please understand. You fulfilling the word and the thought, you gave it to yourself and to others, and experiencing a state of completion with yourself and with life is integrity. Whenever you have thoughts and utter words inside you which you do not honor and fulfill, you will also utter words outside you which you will not honor and fulfill. Please understand. For example, whenever you give a word to yourself, a thought to yourself, and do not honor, you will feel the unfulfillment, the lack of integrity. You will feel self-confidence or no self-confidence. Each time you are out of integrity, either inside you or outside you, you will not be connected with the reality of your life, and that is suffering. Not connected to the reality of life means you go on, take decisions with wrong data, wrong input, wrong informations. If you know the data, there is a valley in front of you, you can take the decision whether to get down or avoid. But if you have wrong input, in front of you it's a plain ground and you take the decision to walk ahead, dangerous. Walking, living the life without being in reality is taking decisions with or out of wrong input. Shravana. All the conflicts you experience in your life, whether your relationships, career, health, any aspect of your life, if you look, you will see that you are living in a condition of lack of integrity. In those aspects of your life, you are living with a hole called incompletion in those aspects of your life. In all the conflicts you experience in your life, you have that hole, H-O-L-E. When you restore integrity, you restore completion, Purnatva, fulfillment. In all relationships of your life, starting with yourself, then other people in your life, and also with various situations and dimensions of your life. Please understand.